Bagyong Emong, inaasahang maglalandfall anumang oras. Lalo nga ring lumalakas ang bagyo dahil sa bagat na dulot nito. Halos buong Metro Manila nga ay baha na din. Napakadami na ring probinsya sa Central Luzon ang lubog na din sa baha. Nakakatakot nga ang climate change Hindi natutulad ng dati na simple lang ang mga bagyo. Ngayon talagang sobrang lala na. Epekto kasi ito ng illegal logging at illegal mining. Sinisira ng mga tao ang kalikasan. Laging ang sinisisi ng iba ang gobyerno. Kahit sino namang umupo, sisisihin natin yan. Hindi natin alam na tayo pala ang may mali. Tapon dito, tapon doon. Kaya babala ni Pangulong Marcos, asang sa susunod pang mga taon, lalala pa at lalakas pa ang bagyong papasok sa Pilipinas. Mas lalo tayong maapektuhan ng climate change. Kaya itong si PBBM, nag-iisip na ng solusyong pangmatagalan. Hindi na to kaya ng flood control project. Tapos kukurakutin lang ng mga congressman at mga governor.
Bagyo is an extraordinary activity. Pagka may bagyo, siyempre, bata ka, walang pasok, yun lang. But it's not normal. It's like something unusual that it happens every once in a while. We have to change our thinking and say, look, this is the way it's going to be as far as we know, for many decades to come. So let's just prepare. Think of it in terms of this is what we have to do, because this kind of situation will continue to arise every time there is a storm, and the storms are coming. They're coming more quickly. They're becoming more strong. They are dumping more water on us. We have to understand that the climate has changed. The rain patterns have changed. This will happen again next year. This will happen again the year after that, and the year after that, etc., and so forth. So we have to think in those terms. So our solutions need to be longer term, not so ad hoc, not so, informal, but really we have to think of in terms of changing the way we approach this kind of problem.
Satisfy naman si PBBM sa paghatid ng relief operation sa ating mga babayang nasalanta. Pero kulang pa daw yan. Gusto ng Pangulo, dapat mas mabilis ang aksyon. Onting paghinto lang ng ulan, dapat pumapasok na agad ang relief at rescue operation. Lalo na ngayon may dalawa pang bagyong lalong lumalakas. Anytime soon nga, hahagupit na yan ang buong Luzon. Dapat na yan ang susunod na paghandaan.
But so far, I'm satisfied that the response of government is sufficient. Well, it's never sufficient, but it is at a level that is providing a great deal of relief to everyone. We'll just have to keep doing this. We'll just have to keep watching the weather. And whenever our assets are allowed, if the rains slows down a little bit, the roads open up, then pasok tayo. Again, the immediate concerns, relief goods, health, and now really ours.
Kayo, sinisisi nyo rin ba ang Pangulo pag bumaha na dulot ng bagyo? O kasalanan din to ng mga tao? Dahil pinapabayaan ng kalikasan na nagpapalala ng climate change. Ikomento sa baba nyo sa lobby.